At Harrison Spinks, making mattresses is something that starts with us growing crops in a field and rearing sheep. How can it be any more sustainable than that?
By weaving our own mattress fabric, known as teak, we're reducing our own carbon footprint and ensuring our own quality standards. We're also bringing weaving back to Yorkshire as well.
We handcraft every mattress to highest standards using a traditional method of hand-side stitching that's been around hundreds of years.
Harrison Spinks is a proud partner with British Wool and its traceable wool scheme to ensure all our wool fillings are responsibly sourced from British farms. Most mattresses in the UK end up being burnt or go to landfill. We want to put a stop to that. We're very proud that our manufacturing processes are continuously evolving to be more sustainable.
The start point's comfort, and the innovation is the sustainability.
Every mattress that we design it to be deconstructible, and we always ask ourselves the same question: is the product more sustainable than the last one that we designed?
People in our industry have spent the last 200 years working out how to put a mattress together. We've been spending the last decade or more working out how we can take it apart.